Hi everyone, welcome back to Pandas course. In previous video we have discussed about what is data dictionaries and how to read the description of particular columns, and in after that video we have discussed about data analysis and EDA concepts. So now the main concept in data analysis, we have to reduce the memory uses by using a data types. So not only data set, almost we have to check that how to reduce the memory uses and all. So in pandas can help reduce memory uses and improve performance. Pandas provides us several data types that can be used representing different type of data. Some common data types used in pandas like a int used for integer value, float used for float point value, and boolean values, object used for string and mixed data type. By default, the pandas may infer the data type of column in a data frame based on the data in the column. Already we have discussed about in previous videos. No need to give it. Pandas automatically identify that data type of the column. So, however, may not always be the most memory efficient data type. For example, if a column contains only integer between 0 to 255, it can represent more efficiently as an unsigned integer. So we have like a signed integer, unsigned integer, like different integers. So if I want to change, if let's check with the instead of talking with some theoretical part, we can start some hands-on. Let's call same dataset again. Import pandas spd df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Here we are giving data college dots. This is in sorry college dot csv. Let's df. So check the info of df. So in this info, you can see all information object. We have a float type integer 4, and almost we have a object float integer 64, float 64 and all. So now just check the memory uses as well. The memory is like memory uses 1.6 plus MB it is using. Now just take any one column from the data frame. I'm taking one column like col1 equals to col is not col is df dot log which column we can take um, some in stem column col1. So this is coming about this thing. Now check the d type of that column. D types, it is an object. Let's check memory. For checking the memory, call one dot memory underscore usage. Here we can give deep equals to true. So this means we are checking the memory uses of that particular column. So it used like a 66060368, or else take a multiple columns. Call 2 equals to some different columns we can mention. diff columns equals to, I can check the column list, call df dot columns. So we have these many columns. Just take 5 columns in a list and then call t2 equals to, give this list diff call and call to. So these are all total 5 columns we have taken. Initially we have checked only for one column. If I want to check like a multiple columns, I am taking a multiple columns. Then check the memory uses of now call to dot memory usage deep equals to true. So here you can see this INSTM institute name has like a 660,240 and city has 496019 and Staber like a 344,565 and HPCU is 60280 and Meloni is like a 6028. So all are integer types. It is saying let me check the types. Call to dot D types. Object float 64 and float 64, the type is object. Now how to change how to change the data type and how to reduce the memory uses, not memory uses. So now let's take one column and change type. Example, I'm taking this object column stabbr stabber is like a state of something we have seen in the description, and let's take that. Call to of stabber equals to, this is a object, okay, this is already object. Now what I'm doing, dot as type, I'm giving category. Previously it is a object type. Now I'm changing the category type and running the cell. Just check d2 dot d types. See here, call to dot d types, this tabber is giving like a object. When I have changed the category, it is changing to category. Let's check a memory uses. Call to dot memory, we have already above that curve, we can copy paste here, memory usage deep. So here you can see the memory says 444565, okay, 444565. Let's check now. It is very small value. See, 13120. Here the memory usage is very less. Here you can see this is like a 444565. 444565 is like a very big value compared to others. So the after this is and this is the third biggest value in this list. But here you can see this is the last biggest value in this list. So the memory usage is giving like this while changing the data type. Okay, now let's take another one. I'm taking this call to and changing other column. Give a numerical value instead of object. HBCU is a float 64. Okay, I'm giving a different Here I am giving u int 64. U int 64 we are giving, and then see, not 64, we can give like a 8, very minimum value. Let's check. It is giving error. Can't convert non-finite values to integer. Let's change float 32. So now check the same value here. See the memory uses of HBCU. Previously how much it is? 60280. Now half of the memory usage is reduced. It's a 30140. So like this, we have to reduce the memory usage by changing the data types. And in this example, we create a data frame and with an float values and the object values we have checked with the changing different types by using as type method. By changing the data type of a column in a pandas data frame to a more memory efficient data type, we can reduce memory usage and improve performance, especially when working with the large data sets. So, in data analysis or in ETL programming or in data engineering concept data transformation, we have to play with a large amount of data set. That time, maybe infrastructure issue will come and CPU machine may take a long time to run the operations. So, by using changing the data types, we can reduce the memory and it will be a more efficient like a more performance, and especially when working with the large data sets. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understand this video. Please comment if you are not understanding any point in this video, and we can discuss in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.